you fail today, you have failed for a day, not for the life. So get up and gear up, but never ever give up.
But my dear friends, repeating the same mistake is actually mistake.
When character is lost, everything is lost.
So train your mind to think positive in negative situation. Train your mind to stay strong under pressure.
What seems impossible today, God makes possible tomorrow.
Remember, life is good when you are happy, but life is much better when others are happy because of you.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Rukshana Islam. I am a student and I'm pursuing my graduation from Maryam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Maryam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology, Ajmal Foundation and English House Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. I stand here of the days to deliver a short speech on discipline. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. The truth of your character is expressed through the choice of your words, the choice of your actions. Your mistakes don't define your character. It's what you do after you have made the mistake makes all the difference. Personality is not measured by one's wealth, power, or position. It is judged by one's discipline and character. Discipline is a major part of successful life. Discipline is the moral and mental training of mind and character to produce self-control.
Today, I stand here after days to deliver a short speech on a topic, never give up. Failure is just a 7-letter word which has stopped millions of people from trying things. The word failure has stopped our mind from thinking. The word failure has stopped us to go out and innovate things. The word failure has stopped us from trying new things. In this fast-moving world, there is a lot of competition. When there is a competition, it is obvious there are many people trying for the same thing. When many people try for the same thing, it is obvious that only few get a chance to outshine. But it is not the end of the world, my dear friends. If you fail today, you have failed for a day, not for the life. So get up and gear up, but never ever give up.
Most of the people think that making a mistake is a failure. But my dear friends, making a mistake is never a failure. Making a mistake is a part of learning. Making a mistake is a part of understanding. Making a mistake is to experience something new. Making a mistake is gaining knowledge. Making a mistake is a stepping stone to success. But my dear friends, repeating the same mistake is actually mistake.
Train your mind to think positive. Your biggest enemy is your uncontrolled mind. An uncontrolled mind breeds fear, doubt, and failure. It keeps you stuck, weak, and uncertain. It weakens your will, distracts your focus, and stops you from discovering your true potential. So train your mind to think positive in negative situation. Train your mind to stay strong under pressure. Train your mind to face the challenges with courage. A person with great talent but uncontrolled mind destroys himself. That's why Ratan Tata rightly said, none can destroy iron but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person but its own mindset can.
God is the best planner. Don't be surprised if support doesn't come from your near ones, your dear ones, and your beloved ones. God is the best planner. He will bring the right people in your life at the right time. They enter your life as strangers. They may hardly know you, but they stand by you. They stand for you and help you reach your goals. God's plan is greater than your expectations. What He has prepared for you is far greater than anything you could ever imagine. What seems impossible today, God makes possible tomorrow. Your destiny is not limited by who stands with you today. It is shaped by faith and effort you put in.
Today, I'm going to deliver a speech on the topic, rivers do not drink their own water. Rivers do not drink their own water. Trees do not eat their own fruits. The sun does not shine on itself. Flowers do not spread their fragrance for themselves. This is the rule of nature. We all are born to help each other. Remember, life is good when you are happy, but life is much better when others are happy because of you. I wind up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
Wonderful, right? Yes. आपने 4 messages दिए हैं. Rivers do not drink their own water. Trees do not eat their own fruit. The sun does not shine on itself. And flowers do not spread their fragrance for themselves. In the same manner, parents, they work very hard, but they don't enjoy their earnings. They invest all their hard-earned money on their children. You need to understand how the sun is shining and we are benefiting from the rays of sun, how the trees are benefiting the human beings. In the same manner, parents have dedicated their lives for your betterment, and you need to understand the significance of their sacrifices and their hard work. जिस तरह से सूरज अपना काम कर रहा है, उसके फ़ायदे हम न जाने कितने उठा रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं है. बिल्कुल उसी तरह वालिदैन भी मेहनत हमारे लिए ही कर रहे हैं और उसका एहसास हमें नहीं होता है. वालिदैन की मेहनत का एहसास बच्चों को अगर होता है, जितनी वालिद मेरी मेहनत किए हैं, मैं काश उतनी मेहनत करता तो मैं IAS ऑफिसर बन जाता. लेकिन वो रियलाइजेशन भी आज वो 25 साल नौजवान के बच्चे में आया है. यहाँ से भी वो आगे जा सकता है. मैंने कहा और 5 साल आपके पास है. 30 साल तक आप खूब मेहनत करें, अपने करियर को आप संवार सकते हैं. आज भी जाग जाएं तो कामयाबी इंशाअल्लाह आपके कदमों को चूमेगी.